Today I want to show you another cool website that lets you see what people are asking on Google, Bing, Amazon, and YouTube. And you might have heard about this one. I would say it's popular, so if you're in marketing, you probably have heard about it. I don't know if you've used it, but it's called AnswerThePublic, and it's a pretty cool tool by Neil Patel. So basically this very cool marketing guy, very popular marketing guy. I think he also has created Uber Suggest, so maybe you've used that for keyword research. And AnswerThePublic works like this. You just type in the topic that might interest your target audience. So for example, in my case, it would be digital marketing. And you get free searches a day, so use them wisely. And you can choose the country and the language and then search for this topic. Right now I'm in the YouTube tab, so I already have searched for the topic and I'm in the YouTube tab. And then you see this wheel of questions. And how you can interpret that is the brighter the circle, this one, like the more orange it is, the more popular the topic is. So for example, which digital marketing course is best is more popular compared to why digital marketing is a career interview question. All of them are interesting, but the more brighter ones are just more popular topics, basically. Yeah, and you can see the search volume here, you can see the cost per click, which is also interesting, and you can switch between views. So this is the wheels view, this is a list view, this is a tables view, which is also pretty cool for seeing some of the cost per clicks and search volumes. I believe that's a search volume. Yeah, search volume. Can digital marketing make you rich? Good question. On to the next one. Can digital marketing be a side hustle? Yeah, interesting topics for sure, and you can get some content ideas from that. Of course, filter it for, filter the information you're getting by asking yourself, is this really relevant to my ICP? But it's a cool tool. And if you move to Google, well, I cannot show it to you right now, I think. Or am I in the Google tab? I'm not sure. But yeah, it still shows you the questions. It's a similar thing compared to all the other channels. So I hope this helps, and I hope you try it out and let me know what you think in the comments.